Hand washing with clean water and soap, as well as using hand sanitizer, are required for everyone, especially in hospitals, as measures to avoid COVID-19. The head of La Medical Clinic, Dr. Kanimba Pierre Celestine, says that they have so far not received any patient with symptoms of the virus, but in case they do get one, they have the primary essentials to attend to them.
Based on
the symptoms we were given by the Ministry of Health, if we find a patient has such symptoms and there's reason to suspect that the patient could have the virus, we isolate them. In the isolation rooms, wearing masks is mandatory. There are garments for the patient and the doctors, as well as an oxygen cylinder that helps them breathe properly. And then we call RBC because they are always ready to come pick up the patient. Workers at various health centers also say that they are ready and prepared in the event that they get a patient that has symptoms of coronavirus. They know the responsible people to call.
Umuganga yihutira kumuzana mu byumba byateganyijwe hano.
When a nurse suspects a patient to have the virus, they'll bring him or her to the isolation ward and conduct tests. If they have high fever, we will administer first aid and then use an ambulance to take them where they're treated from.
Ubundi tukiyambaza ambulance ikamujyana.
Rwanda Biomedical Center says that it has equipped health workers and laboratory technicians with knowledge about the virus, as well as equipment used to test for the virus.
Abaganga barahuguwe, turacyakomeza no kubahugura, ndumva tumaze guhugura hafi abaganga bakaba 500.
Health workers were trained and we continue to train them. At the moment, we've trained more than 500 and there's more. Laboratory technicians were trained as well, and they now know how to test for coronavirus. Hospitals too were tasked to prepare isolation rooms where a symptomatic patient can be worked on. In terms of testing for the virus, since the beginning of February, we do the tests from the National Reference Laboratory. Rwanda Biomedical Center says that they've also ordered for enough equipment and drugs to enable the health workers in various hospitals to avoid contracting the virus. Such include facial masks and hand sanitizers that have been supplied in all health centers in the country.